What's good, guys? Today is Saturday, and I'm just going to quickly run you through what happened throughout this week. Now, this USD JPY trade is actually the trade that brought me down $20 more because I was up $40, and then this trade I lost $20 on this trade. So I'm just going to show you all the trade that I took this week. There are three trades in total. This is one of them. This is the first one. This is the USD JPY trade. I saw this fair value gap on the 15-minute time frame. Let's go to the 15 minutes. Let me know this is the fair value gap. If I go to 15 minutes, there's a fair value gap here. I'll give me the confidence. So I haven't traded this strategy in a long time. I just saw it and I just decided to take. But I entered in a little bit late. So yeah. But I don't think I will have break even if I entered early. Just look at this. This is the 1-to-1, as you can see. This is 28 pips stop loss. Let me just move this. I don't think I will have breaking even. Yes, I will not even be able to break even before we trade it 1-to-1. Yeah, that was just it. So that was the first one. The second one is I think is a USD JP missed entry actually on Thursday. Yeah. This is a strategy that I trade most of the time. This is a silver bullet strategy. It's really profitable. I just say let me just trade that money, and yeah, it missed my entry and just started flying like crazy. This was it. This was the trade. Just look at this. I just marked out this 9 AM range because that's how silver bullet strategy is. I just marked out the 9 AM range. This is the 9 o'clock high. This is the 9 o'clock low. You can see this is 9 AM. This is the highest point on 9 o'clock, and then this is the lowest point. Like this. It created the fair value gap here. This is the movement that swept the low of this range. This fair value gap I wanted to enter on. Look at it. Look at those, how small, how little it is that I just missed my entry by that small peep. I don't even think that's bad. That's okay peep. Oh yeah, look at it. Just that was a 3-to-1 risk to reward. So even if I risked $20, I'll be like making like $60 on that trade. Yeah, but yeah, that's just it. This is the second one, and I think on Friday, yes, on Friday I took this trade, but this trade broke even a few minutes later. No, yeah, I think this is not it. This one actually created the fair value gap. Then I was on the 1 minute looking for this fair value gap here. Like you can see, I was on the 1 minute hoping it will tap this fair value gap right here, but it did not. But that just cost me a lot. Just cost me to miss the fair value gap on the 5 minutes. Look at it. Look at it. It created another fair value gap and then tapped it in on the 5 minutes. And I was just brooding on the one that I missed on 1 minute. I don't know that already tapped in on the 5 minutes. Look at this. This would have been just 80 pips in profit I would have taken on Thursday. I was at home that day, so I was able to trade that day. On Friday, I was at work. This was another trade. I did not think I took this one. I don't think I'll take this one. This is another silver bullet. Okay, I think I missed the silver bullet. That was it. On Friday, I think I missed it. Yeah, this is the Friday trade that broke even. I think it's only 5 minutes, yes. This is the trade on gold. Let's look at this. This is a crazy movement that gold was making that day. I think this 5 minutes fair value gap here I entered on the tap right here. Right here. I enter this tap right here. That was what I entered on. You can see it. This is it. Yes, this fair value gap. You can see this. Let me highlight this here. You can see the fair value gap. There's so much going on the screen now. Okay. I set break even at 1-to-1. This line you are seeing here is a 1-to-1 line. I just used to set it anytime price just tap that 1-to-1, because it's the same as stop loss. If price taps your stop loss, you are out. So it's just the same thing. If it taps my 1-to-1, I'm just going to set break even. That was 60 pips 1-to-1. I was looking for 2-to-1 here on this trade, but after I tapped 1-to-1, it just could not go back up to hit my tip. So that was just it, guys. Yeah, if you are watching this, like and subscribe. I'm going to be dropping weekly videos like this. So if you enjoy it, just like, just subscribe and share it. That would be cool. Yeah. Thank you. I'll catch you guys next week. Peace.